What is AWS DevOps? A comprehensive guide. Understanding AWS DevOps. AWS DevOps is a powerful combination of Amazon Web Services, AWS, cloud services and DevOps practices that enables organizations to streamline their software development and deployment processes. Key components of AWS DevOps. Infrastructure as Code, IAC. Infrastructure as Code is a fundamental concept in AWS DevOps. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. CI/CD is a set of practices that automate the build, testing, and deployment of software changes. Configuration management. Configuration management tools enable organizations to manage and automate the configuration of their infrastructure and applications. AWS DevOps tools. AWS Code Pipeline. Code Pipeline is a fully managed continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, service that enables you to automate the release process for your applications. AWS Code Commit. Code Commit is a fully managed source code control service that hosts private Git repositories. AWS Code Build. Code Build is a fully managed build service that compiles source code, runs tests, and produces ready-to-deploy software packages. Implementing AWS DevOps. Implementing AWS DevOps involves a systematic approach to leverage AWS services and adopt DevOps practices to streamline software development and deployment processes. Define DevOps goals. Start by identifying your organization's goals and objectives for implementing DevOps. Assess current processes. Evaluate your existing software development and deployment processes. Benefits of AWS DevOps. Faster time to market. AWS DevOps enables organizations to deliver software products and updates at a faster pace. Increased agility and flexibility. AWS's cloud services provide a scalable and flexible infrastructure, allowing organizations to rapidly adapt to changing business needs. Improved collaboration and communication. DevOps encourages close collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. Limitations of AWS DevOps. Learning curve. Implementing AWS DevOps practices requires a certain level of knowledge and expertise in both AWS services and DevOps principles. Complexity. AWS provides a vast array of services, and navigating through the various options and configurations can be complex. Cost management. While AWS offers flexibility and scalability, it's important to carefully manage costs. Future of AWS DevOps. Serverless computing. Serverless architectures, exemplified by AWS Lambda, are gaining popularity as they offer scalability, reduced operational overhead, and cost efficiency. AI and machine learning integration. AI and machine learning are increasingly being integrated into various aspects of software development and operations. Conclusion. AWS DevOps offers organizations a powerful set of tools and practices to streamline software development and deployment processes. By leveraging AWS services, organizations can achieve faster time to market, increased agility, improved collaboration, and enhanced quality and reliability.